Year 1 learners, and welcome to Lesson 41. My name is Danielle and it's great to be back with you again today. You may have joined me in previous lessons where we did lots of great thinking about number and measurement. Today, our learning intention is to understand words to describe location and direction. So, what do these mathematical words mean? Stop and think for a minute. Have you heard of the word location and direction? When we're talking about location, we're talking about words to describe the position of something. And when we are talking about direction, we're talking about the way to go or move. Now, to get us thinking mathematically, I have a game for you. Now, this is my friend Ollie. Now, I'm going to put Ollie in different positions, and I want you to have a go at saying the word to describe where Ollie is. Are you ready? Okay. Where is Ollie? Did you say in bed? Well done. Let's try another. Where is Ollie now? Did you say beside the bed? Or maybe you said out of bed. Where is she? Under the chair. Now let's try another one. Where is Ollie now? Did you say in between the chair and the bed? What about this one? Where is Ollie? Did you say on top of the bed? Where is Ollie? In front of the bed. Where is Ollie now? She's a bit hard to see. She's behind the bed. What about now? Where is Ollie? Ollie is far away from the bed. Where is Ollie now? Ollie is near the bed. Well done, everybody. Now let's take a look at some of the words we used to describe where Ollie was. We said that Ollie was on top. We also said Ollie was under. Do you notice how the dog in the picture is under the basket? The next word is out. The dog is out of its basket. Okay, the next word, beside. The dog is beside the block. Between. The dog is between the two blocks. In front. The dog is in front of the block. Behind. Here, the dog is behind the block. The next word is far away, because the dog is far away from the block. Oh, and the opposite to far away, the dog is near the block. Great job. So, we had a go at putting Ollie on top of the bed, under the chair, out of bed, beside the bed or next to. We put Ollie between the bed and the chair. We put her in front of the bed. Ollie was put behind the bed and far away from the bed and near the bed. Now, I'm going to tell you a story about Ollie losing her favourite toy, and I'm going to act it out using this scene. Now, when you hear a word that tells you where Ollie looked for her toy, I want you to clap your hands, like this. Ollie looked under her bed. Are you ready? Okay. One sunny day, Ollie woke up in the morning and jumped out of bed. She thought to herself, the sun is shining, so I'm going to play with my favourite ball outside. But there was a problem. Her favourite ball was not next to her bed, where she thought she'd left it. Oh dear, what can she do to solve her problem? Shall we help her look for her favourite ball? Let's do it together. Ollie looked under her bed, but it was not there. Ollie found her skateboard. Next, Ollie looked on top of her cupboard. What do you think she found? Was it her favourite ball? No, Ollie found her rocket. Ollie looked beside her desk. Was it her ball? No, Ollie found her spinning top. Ollie went and looked behind her bookshelf. What do you think she found? Was it her favourite ball? No, Ollie found her car. Ollie looked in front of her mirror. Was it her ball? No, Ollie found her toy horse. Next, Ollie went and looked between her bed and the desk. Was it her favourite ball? No, Ollie found her robot. Finally, Ollie lifted up the lid of her toy box. And do you know what she saw? Her favourite ball was inside the box. Ollie walked outside of the yard through the archway to play with her toy ball. Now let's remember together the words to describe where Ollie looked for her ball. Ollie looked under her bed, on top of her cupboard, beside her desk, behind her bookshelf, in front of her mirror, between her desk and the bed. She lifted up the lid of her toy box and her ball was inside the box. Then Ollie went through the archway into the yard. Great job, everyone. Now, to make sure that Ollie doesn't lose her toy again, her dad has asked her to put her toys away in a particular position on her shelf. Now, we're going to pretend that this is her shelf. Now, Dad has asked her to put the rocket on the top shelf. So, which one is the top shelf? That's right, this is the top shelf. So the rocket needs to go here. Now, the spinning top needs to go on the bottom shelf. This is the bottom. Her toy car needs to go on the middle shelf. Which shelf would be the middle? This one. So there goes the car. Now the skateboard, Dad wants the skateboard beside the rocket. This is beside the rocket. Remember, another name for beside is next to. So the skateboard is next to the rocket. The robot needs to go on the middle shelf. So let's put the robot here. And finally, The horse needs to go in between the car and the robot. Where would in between be? Did you say here? Well done. Thanks for helping Ollie pack her toys away in the correct position. Now, your home task is to draw a picture of your favourite toy in different positions around your house. One of my favourite toys is my ball. So I'm going to draw a picture of my ball next to or beside the couch, like this. There's the top of the couch. That's the part you sit on, and there's the arms. So if I want to draw the ball next to the couch, where would I draw it? Here? No, that's under the couch. Next to would be here. And I'm going to write next to. Remember, another way to explain next to is beside. I could write that too. Beside. Now, today we learnt about the mathematical concepts of location and direction. Remember, when we talk about location, we're thinking about the position or where something is. And when we are talking about direction, we're talking about the way to move or where to go. Now, remember, we use some words including between, beside, near, behind, far away, under, out, in front, and on top. Thanks for joining me, everybody. See you next time.